Krishna. Today we are going to solve this first problem from LeetCode October daily challenge. This is day 1 of October. So this problem is all about reverse words in a string. So basically we will be given one string comprises of multiple words. So we need to reverse each word letters and then we need to return the output. That's all we need to do. Let's see example. If our string is something like this, I am good boy. So the output should be how it looks like if I reverse. So I, then MA, then DOOG, and then YOB. Something. So the goal is like each word letters should be reversed and then we need to return the reverse string. So how we can solve? So this problem can be solved in multiple approaches, I mean multiple ways. The one is, so first split the string, okay, and make into an array. Let's example, if my string is of today's lead code daily question. Let's assume if my string is of this. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to divide these things. When I say divide, like split, and store each of them into an array. Let's assume my array is something like this. Then today's and then lead code. So I make them individual strings. Okay, then what we need to do is we need to iterate through this word from this array. Let's assume this is array. We need to iterate through each element from this array, where each element is nothing but a string. And then while we are iterating through this each one, then we need to start from the last index of this word. Okay, example here, if TODAY and this apostrophe and then S. So this is also a character, right? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So that means index starts from 0. So go index starts from 0 till, sorry, 6 till 0. I mean, you need to decrease it. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Then append them at each index and then return that reverse word. Okay, reversed word. This is one way approach. The second way approach is we can use a stack data structure. So how stack data structure is going to be? So we iterate through these things. Okay. So first we insert T O D A Y and then S. This is how stacks looks like. So as you know, stacks work on Philo algorithm. They nothing but like the first in, last out, right? So that means like it returns you indeed a reverse of what you are doing as a original. So then once we need to put into hash map, once we encounter a space. So as soon as we can see the current character space, then you need to pop out the stack. So that means take S comma Y A D O T. That's it. You reversed one, what I can say, word, and then you got this space. Then you just add a space to it. Okay, and then you start again lead code. So basically you need to put your words, okay, into this stack data structure until unless you encounter a space. When you encounter a space, just you need to pop out from the stack and then you make it as a part of your result string. That's all we are going to do. So now we quickly go through and start writing code. So what I'm going to do here is, as I said, like I create an array result. Maybe we can name it something like words equal to s dot split. I'm splitting it based on the space. Okay, then what I'm going to do here is I'm going to take a string buffer because this is help me to what I can say append all the reversed strings. Okay, new, sorry, what happened? Yeah, new string. Oh, sorry, it's not array. New string buffer. Then what I'm going to do here is for string str of words. So I'm going to iterate through each word in this words array. Okay, for that what I'm going to do is for in again for int I equal to str dot length length minus 1 If length is of 6, then you starts from index 5. That's nothing but the last character. Okay. Then I greater than or equal to 0, and then decrement the I every time. So here, what you do is sb dot append of. Okay, you append this current character, that is nothing but str dot caret of I, whatever it is. Once this done, you're done processing one word, right? Then what you need to do here is you need to append your space. That is nothing but sb dot append a space, because you are splitting them based on space, right? So once it's done, okay, you need to return this sb dot toString. I mean, I'm just converting it to string, but you need to trim it. Why we need to call this? Because at the end of the last string also we are appending this one. So we can add another if statement here to ignore this, but yeah, let's see how it works now. Okay, str dot length, it's a function. Okay. Yes, it's got accepted, and then let's submit it. Yeah, it got submitted. It took 8 milliseconds time. Okay, so that's all for this video, and I hope you learned something. So regarding the stack solution, I will put it into the description. Please do check out. Hare Krishna.